This segment is sponsored by Collision&Classics.
There comes a time in every driver's life when repairs will be necessary. Now, maybe it's your fault, maybe it's somebody else's. Either way, you want to leave your baby in trusted hands, and that's where Collision&Classics comes in. Tell us about the certifications that Collision&Classics has and why that's important to the customer.
Well, it's extremely important. We have 7 manufacturers' certifications, which gives us 17 model line certifications throughout their brands. And that is unheard of in this area. We are the absolute leader in certification in the Golden Triangle Beaumont region. This is an endoscope. It's an automotive endoscope.
Right, there are medical
Exactly.
endoscopes. Okay,
it's
great.
The same scenario of what we can use to look up in areas, but it shows us what we're looking at and why. And so there's one of the cylinders right there associated to that panel. So we use it in a variety of ways to show how cars may be showing hidden damage that normally wouldn't be detectable from the outside. And so since it has a little light, it gives us the ability to look in hidden areas. The other item that we use a lot is a small digital micrometer.
And this does?
And the digital micrometer can go up to a panel, you squeeze this and you can take a look, and it gives us the exact mil thickness of that steel and or any other part associated that could be determined as damaged and needs to be checked with possibly the replacement part. Because again, if we buy the wrong replacement part and it's not a factory part, there's a good chance this micrometer will show us a difference, either too thick or too thin for the application of the part.
So this, it helps with the precision.
It helps with the precision, and it helps with the story. We do a lot of storytelling, and the storytelling is that we need the original parts under the original conditions to put this car back to pre-collision condition.
Tell us about the pickup and delivery service you have.
Well, the pickup and delivery is unique. We have a shuttle bus that's wrapped in Collision&Classics for people to understand who we are and what we represent, that will gladly take you to and from work or back to the rental agency or even back to your home.
Now you see why Collision&Classics calls itself your Collision Technology Repair Center. We don't want you to need them, but when you do, bring your vehicle by 550 Interstate 10 South in Beaumont. The web address is collisionandclassics.com, and the number to call is 409-842-2324.